Today we will be using Builder to build some popular Python repositories. Let's first try it out on the Sherlock project on GitHub. So first I'm going to copy its URL link, and then I'm going to pass it into the builder init command. Now here I'm using the debug flag to see the steps Builder is taking to build my project. The builder init command will allow us to pass in a repo, and then it will determine the project language for us. So here it has determined that it's a Python project. Alright, our build's complete, so let's take a look at our repo. Now here we can see that Builder has created a builder folder for our build and its logs and metadata, and has also created a builder.yaml file for us. So let's take a look at our build. So here's our build, and inside our build we also can find our artifact. Now here we will find a zipped artifact that will include a requirements folder for all of this project's required dependencies. Let's try another Python project on GitHub. This time let's use the Flask repository. So let me go back to my builds folder. Alright, we're going to clear this really fast. And then we're going to copy the Python Flask repository's URL. And let's pass it into the builder init command, but this time let's add the verbose flag to see the build logs as well. It looks like this repository is missing a requirements.txt file, so let's take a look at the repo. So it does include a pyproject.toml file, so let's tell Builder to use that instead. I've already created a fork of this branch, so let me show you the builder.yaml file I've created. So here's the fork, and then the builder.yaml file we've included for this repository is the following. So we're just telling it to use this build command to place our build requirements into this folder named build requirements. Alrighty, so let's go back to our repository. And we're going to copy this URL. Now I'm going to get rid of our previous build, as we could cd into our repository and use just the builder command to rerun a build. I'd like to show you the builder config command, so let's use that. So we're going to remove the old repository. And now we're going to use the builder config command to pass in a repo so that we can pull this repo and also use the builder.yaml file within it. And there we have it. So let's go into our repo. Alright, and here is our build. But it'll be much easier to see in the GUI, so let's pull up the GUI. Alright, and here's our latest build. Now here we can see the metadata surrounding our build, the artifact it created, the artifact location, and then the build logs along with our build. Alrighty, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.